Rach, what are you doing?
Trying to climb.
All right, be careful.
Bamboo hiker! Woo! Look at my fat leg.
Go. All right, Todd, just hold this, take a little picture of me and Jess. It's recording right now. Jay, come on.
There's Jessica cleaning herself off.
Yeah.
Bobby and Jake.
How can we not swim in the waterfall though?
Look at this beautiful view here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what a view of the waterfall. Let me zoom in a little. Oh, Andrew, you like that one, Andrew?
Perfect.
Tell me, Jake, about the bamboo forest.
There's a lot of bamboo. And it's huge.
So tall.
And it's muddy.
Oh, Jessica! I just looked up at the hugest thing was right in my eye.
And then we just passed a huge river that we
What do you got, Jess?
The longest piece of bamboo.
Really?
This
No.
is unbelievable.
No, you could look at this piece.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait, look how thick this one is right there.
Oh my God. And it's hollow in the inside.
How did they get it?
It's like PVC piping.
There's room here, honey.
Daddy, you have the video on the way back of the river thing. I got the walking stick.
Jess, where'd we go?
The waterfall. Oh, there's the rope. Hey, that's the rope.
Oh, cool.
And that rope, that is her life depended on that rope? Just turn around.
Take a picture from down there.
Hold on, let me take a picture. All right, Rach.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you see those little notches?
Yeah?
You put your hands in them.
Okay.
Look, we got monkey bars here.
Oh, Jake's telling you. Good, Rach.
It's a little scary. Just to get over this part.
This is the bad one.
Where's Todd? Todd! Okay, I'll wait for you. Yeah. We made it to the next waterfall. What do you think, Gaga?
It's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Oh, awesome.
Can I go swimming?
Yeah.
I feel like we have to. I'm going.
This is a nice pond to swim in.
Yeah, let's swim.
Okay.
I'm holding on to this. I'm not sure I like it.
Talk to me, Todd. Jake.
Sure, that's the best idea. All right, Jessica, go. Bobby, I don't think I can do this.
You could do it, honey.
No, the line is wiggling.
It's fine. Hold on the rope, honey. Yeah.
Mom, I got a good way for you to come.
I can't do it.
You can do it. You can do it. Good girl. It's not gonna fall. I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
Alright, Mom. Grab onto
Wait,
the grant.
wait, I think I need to let this. Wait, I think the backpack is making me scared.
All right, I'll take up the backpack.
No, you'll hand it to me.
Yeah. Okay, here. Here, honey, drop it to me. I got it. Okay, go. Okay.
Here's the backpack. All right, wait, Bobby, give me the backpack now and I'll give it to Jessica.
No, just go.
Mom, just go. Wait, but don't use...
Oh God, it was definitely the backpack.
Mom, now hold on. Just step up one more.
One more.
One more. Now, hold hold on to this to do the hill.
Oh, okay.
And then put that foot on that rock, and then just climb up. Use your hands.
This?
No, yeah, good.
No. Not mine. Okay. Bobby, hand me the back.
Holy, I am at the top of the waterfall, and it's the scariest thing I've ever seen.
Jessica! Jessica, don't do that.
What?
Up straight.
Okay, we just came to the top of the second waterfall. 2 more to go. Just doing a little hike up here.
Just a little.
Just a little one, right, Jess?
No.
Who am I going to show this to, Jessica?
Andrew. Allison.
They're going to be
Allison, do you see what I'm doing? I miss you though.
just a nice day.
We hope we see you again.